When you said, does it make sense to initiate the onboarding process, what did they say? Did they say yes?
I got no response.
Well, you asked it in an email?
Right, after our initial meeting.
Why didn't you ask it during the meeting?
Well, that was just a discovery meeting. We talk about it's kind of the format, but if you think that's a better approach, I'm happy
100%.
to use that going forward.
Yeah, 100%. Does it hey, based on everything I'm hearing from you guys in this meeting, you're an excellent candidate for our growth marketing campaign, and with your goals of 5.7, getting you from 5.7 million to 9.2, we've helped a number of companies in your very similar position to you get exactly those type of numbers. Does it make sense to move forward with the onboarding process? Yeah, it does. Congratulations, you made a great decision. What happens next? I'm going to shoot you a DocuSign with everything. Bop, 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 bop. Even if there's 4 things that need to happen next, ask for the big thing. And I wouldn't even say get you started with the onboarding process. I would say sign the agreement if there's an agreement, right? But however you want to word that. And then what happens next? What happens next? I'll shoot you the DocuSign. You're going to need to get invoices over to us after that. And then you'll get a meeting with Ronnie, your client advocate or whatever it is, right? But some of the time, guys, we're making these sales processes, we're adding all these extra steps and then wondering how the package fell off the conveyor belt when we look at and it's like Willy Wonka's chocolate factory with 27 different conveyor belts. If you're talking to them, go for the close, right? Like, try that, and I think it'll be a lot better. Hey, you're losing deals right now, and you don't even know why, and that should scare you. I get it. You think you're saying the right things. You think you're doing everything by the book, but deals are slipping through your fingers. Why? Because nobody ever taught you the right way to sell. I'm Matt Easton, and at Easton University, I'll show you exactly what to say, exactly what to do, and exactly how to close more deals fast. You're going to get access to the Easton University Learning Portal. It's going to show you everything you need to know to double your sales within 30 days. But it doesn't stop there. I'm going to work with you live twice a week to make sure you hit your goals. I'm going to be there with you every single step of the way. Stop guessing and start closing. Click the link here and take control of your sales career right now.